Bring it back.
Happy Valentine's Day and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Maya.
And my name's Veronica. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Panthers, a great opportunity coming up soon is an Aerospace Tech Fair at Kennedy Space Center on a student holiday Friday, March 15th from 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. Open to anyone 9th through 12th grade. Transportation is available through BPS from certain regional sites. See the flyer for sign-up link.
Students and staff, Heritage High School will be sponsoring another blood drive February 21st. You have to be 17 or older to donate and must have registered.
All donors will receive one of the following offers per donation: refreshments, long-sleeve t-shirt, and a wellness checkup, which includes checking on your blood pressure, pulse, temperature, iron count, and cholesterol screening.
You can register to donate blood in room 6114 before school or during lunch. If you have a pass from your 4th period teacher, bring your ID to sign up and receive permission forms.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big
Blue!
Blue!